The sample list of the EuroOsmo 7400 software contains 6 columns with information. In the first column we have the number of the measurement. In the second column we have the sample name. In the third column we have the sample code. In the fourth column we have the results. In the fifth column we have the units, and in the sixth column we have comments. Sample name, sample code, as well as the comments can be freely inserted before or after the measurement. In the edit window, rows can be inserted or deleted. Also, you can clear rows of results or fill columns. Via copy-paste, information can also be copied from one cell to the other. And in the edit window, you can delete a row, or you can also insert rows, which is especially important if you want to make more than 10 measurements.